Okay, we have everything here we need to finish this head. So we got it all sanded down nice. We got our mark down here to drill for our stick. We have a 1¼ inch stick by 9 inches. That will drill the hole and that will get mounted in here. We have a 7/8 inch hook here. That gets attached to the bottom of the stick. That will put a rubber band on this and the bottom of the body. That helps keep the head on when you're using it. We got the mouth, which we'll need to work on. We have our ears. We have the ears we're going to use, and these are 1¼ inch or 1 inch screws in here, and we'll screw this into the side of the head and we'll glue it. We have a 3-inch spring, and that will get attached up here to our hook, and will get attached down here to the mouth. That will open and close the mouth with that. So this is going to get attached on the mouth down in here. And we have two of these eye hooks. One will get screwed in up here. That's for our spring to attach to. The other will get screwed in back here. That's what we're going to put our string, tie our string to. We have a 1-inch hinge. That will get attached back here on the back of the mouth. And then this block will get attached here. And this is what will open and close the mouth. This block will go in here. And get attached down here for the mouth to get screwed to, and we'll put a screw on each side and go in, and then in through here. I'll use an 1 5/8 inch screw to go in through the head, and this will we'll screw it and glue it in so it doesn't turn on us. We have our 1/2 inch dowel, which will go up here. That's for our string to come over and go down through the neck. Since this is a clown, we have a nose here we're going to put on him for a clown nose. And the ears and the nose will be the last thing we put on, so they're not in the way. We have our 1-inch eyes we're going to use. We have a 1-inch ring that gets tied to the string. We have a 24-inch piece of nylon string. So we have everything here we need to finish this head. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.